Ladies and gentlemen, old guy back again with an old bike. This is a 1998 Honda Shadow Ace. This is a 745cc V-twin engine, claiming a monstrous 43 brake horsepower and 46 foot-pounds of torque, and weighing in around 567 pounds, something like that. I could not find the MSRP as new, so I have no idea how much this thing costs. Hey, it's a little dirty, but I don't care about that either, because I want to know how it's like to ride it on the road. So let's throw a leg. It's very light. It's kind of a beach bar setup here, which is interesting. You do have the key down right there underneath the engine. This is a carbureted bike, which is not surprising due to the age, but let's get on the road and take a little quick ride and see what it's like to ride it. Oh yeah. Getting a little warm today, which is kind of nice. Shadow Ace. You have non-adjustable suspension in the front. You have preload adjustable in the rear, and a little baby 745cc V-twin. This beach bar setup suits this bike quite a bit, honestly. This bike is very comfortable. I mean, I'm just kind of kicked out, and the seat is really comfy. Oh, man. I can just ride this bike around for a while. Has an old school dash. Does not have a tack. I'm doing 60, 65 on the speedometer. Man. Suspension could use an adjustment, I think, as far as fixing the forks and, probably change the fork oil, that kind of thing. But other than that, so far, it's a great cruising bike. I like it. And it's a Honda, so do the maintenance, this thing will last forever. You get a lot of, obviously this bike has no wind protection, so you do get a lot of wind, which on a warm day, oh yeah, feels really good. Just kind of flowing. I have this thing where it's like, God almighty, I just love riding different bikes, trying them out, seeing what they were like. I mean, this is from 1998, so in the grand scheme of things, this bike is 25 years old. This bike is my kid's age. I mean, just to put it simple. This bike does not have a lot of power. But it doesn't really need a lot of power. Because that's not its purpose. It's a cruising bike. And this is before the advent of technology and all that wonderful stuff that you see in bikes now. I mean, this bike's got turn signals. which is nice. You gotta need that. I suppose you don't, but you know, it's nice to have. It's got some mirrors, that's good. It has brakes. I like brakes. Brakes are good. It's got a high beam and a low beam. And yeah. Oh no, wait. It's got a horn. Yeah, okay. Bike has a horn. I mean, it's got everything you need. And it just goes down the road. Smooth. 60 miles an hour. And very comfortably. Very comfortably. I mean, obviously the Shadow, when you brought it out, I mean, it's trying to capture some of that Harley market with the V-twin and all that other good jazz, but never really had the impact, obviously. But it didn't make it a bad bike at all. I mean, it's a good bike. It's a really good bike. It's not going to complain. It's not going to argue. It's just, all right, you want to go there? Let's go there. You know, you want to cruise all day? All right, we'll cruise all day. And it's happy to do it. It's happy to do it. And I appreciate it for what it is. And I'm very happy to be riding it. I really am. You know, it's like lowering your expectations. I mean, this bike claims 43 horsepower. I mean, 43 horsepower is like beginner bike nowadays. I mean, beginner bike for me was a lot less than 43 horsepower. But again, I'm old, and bikes were different then. You know, you gotta curb your expectations on what a bike is. Because now, I mean, good Lord, now you got bikes that are 200 plus and just ridiculous amounts of power for the street, unnecessary, you know. I'm not gonna lie to you, I still think 120, you know, 120 horsepower is perfect. That's the perfect range of power. But honestly, you really don't need any more than 40 something horsepower. You don't need it. It's unnecessary. It's nice to have, but like I said, you don't need it. This bike is just fine. It rides just fine. Full throttle. And brakes are fine. Slows it down. Now let's try 0 to 60. Alright. 3, 2, 1. There you go. 70. 75 almost. On that point. It's a fun bike. It's a great little bike. I mean, again, I need to even curb my expectations. It's not little, but it's a great bike. It's fine. There's nothing wrong with it. Is it modern? No. But will it get you to point A and point B and be pretty cheap? Yeah. Yeah, it will. I bet your insurance on this would be nothing. Give it a nice little refresh. This bike could be somebody's daily driver for a good amount of time. And if anybody rips on you for riding a Shadow, tell them to fuck off. Bottom line. Tell them to fuck off. Because they're just weak. They're just weak and ignorant. Hitting my knee. It's hitting my knee doing a U-turn, but not terrible. There. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, 1998 Honda Shadow. The bike is really good. I enjoyed it quite a bit. Yeah. Look, again, like I said, I can't give you crap about a bike like this. They just don't know what they're talking about. This little bike is great to ride. A lot of fun. A lot of fun. Got to take a motorcycle for what it is. I enjoyed riding it, everybody, if you couldn't tell. And if you like this kind of stuff, you want to see more bikes, I'm going to keep, like, subscribe. I'm going to keep these bikes coming. Because people need to understand what more bikes, there are other bikes out there. And they're all different. They're all unique. So, everybody, I appreciate all of you. Stay safe. And as always, enjoy the ride.